Okay, good day, guys. So, welcome back. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and share. So, let's take a look at GBP JPY for the next day. So, before that, make sure you actually check the comment section. You will see the link to my Patreon account, and you get to have access to my trade for the day and also trade for the week. So, you can actually subscribe, and if you are no longer interested in it, you can actually cancel the subscription. So just watch out for the link below. Now, when we take a look at this GBP JPY, you can see that clearly this is actually dropping, right? One of the reasons why we had this massive drop was that we were having a bullish move on this JPY index, right? If you take a look at your JPY index, especially on this daily time frame, this is JPY index. You see that this actually is actually a bullish move. So higher highs and higher lows is what's playing out, right? So what I can see at this level is a pullback, and what I'll be expecting next is a continuous bullish move. If I should roll down to the 4-hour time frame, if you have to zoom it in, right, you see that we will be having a rejection at the same level, right? You can see that once price rejected this level, we had a rejection at this level, then a rejection at this level, and again a rejection at this level. So we expect this JPY index to actually go bullish, at least take out this level of 845. So this is what I'll be watching out for. Let's watch out for that level for the next day. JPY should actually hit a level of 845. Then maybe it will continue the bullish move or it will drop. Anyhow, I'm going to update you on my Patreon, by the way. So this JPY would want it to see go up a bit. So that should now let us go to the GBP JPY, then down to the 4-hour time frame. So of course, we'd want to see it hit this level, which I would want to find a rejection at this level, which is at a level of 161.832. So if this price can hit this level of 161.832, then I'll be expecting a drop on this GBPJPY, at least to take out this level, a level of 160.610. By the way, I'll give you more updates on GBPJPY on my Patreon. If there will be an opportunity to trade or high probability trade, I'm going to give you an update through that Patreon.